Now I'm just going to start doing a series of slip loops, but I'm going to alternate sides on here. Put one end through, and I'm going to keep this loop, and I'm going to run it underneath, just like that. And that now creates a new loop. So I have the working side here that I'm going to pull through, and I'm going to pull it through that loop. And now I created another loop. Let's do a time lapse and get through this thing pretty quick. And to finish it, just pull the loose end all the way through, and that is my bird's nest.